Hello everyone, I am an engineer from Tungding Machinery. Today we came to the customer's dry mortar installation site. These are 3 sets of additive weighing system equipment. After accurate measurement by gram level, it is sent to each main machine separately through the conveying pipe. The whole system adopts PRC automatic control. This is a state-of-the-art additive weighing system with an error of grams. The precision of the additives ensures the accuracy and quality of the mortar. To ensure the normal operation of the additive weighing platform, each conveying set is equipped with a gas storage tank to ensure the quality of the finished product. The precisely measured additive is delivered to the main machine by pneumatic conveying equipment, specially designed weighing function to further ensure accurate weighing. Ensure that there is no residue in the pneumatic conveying, and control the qualified rate of the finished product from each link. This is a hoist, the full use of layout bucket lift, durable, to ensure that there will be no failure during use. This is a complete mortar equipment process. Start with the wet sand and dry it. After drying, store it in various sand tanks. Then the equipment behind the batching is the Tungding 3 return dryer, pulse dust collectors, all with sealed valves. Ensure environmental protection and pollution-free throughout the production process. No dust exposure. Now the finishing work is carried out, the engineer is wiring, and the machine can be tested after the details are finished. Now all the installation has been completed. The following is the test machine. Please continue to pay attention to Tungding Machinery. See you next time.